In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set recurring tasks in ClickUp. If you have work that repeats on a regular schedule, like weekly check-ins, monthly reports, or routine follow-ups, setting up a recurring task can save a lot of time and help you stay organized. Instead of creating the same task over and over again, ClickUp can automatically handle it for you. To begin, open the task you want to repeat. This should be the task you want ClickUp to use as the recurring item going forward. Before setting the recurrence, it's a good idea to quickly review the task details so everything is accurate, since this setup will control how the task behaves each time it repeats. Once the task is open, go to the Date section and click on Do. This opens the Date settings menu, where you can manage the due date and access recurrence options. If you don't already have a due date set, that's fine. You can still open this area and configure the repeat settings from there. In the Date menu, click the Recurring icon. This is the option that turns a normal task into a repeating one. After selecting it, you'll see recurrence settings that let you decide exactly how often the task should happen. Now choose the frequency. You can set the task to repeat daily, weekly, monthly, or based on the schedule that best matches your workflow. Pick the option that fits the type of task you're automating. For example, daily might be useful for routine reminders, while weekly or monthly works better for regular planning or reporting tasks. Next, choose when the task should repeat. One common option is to have it recur when the status changes to done. This can be especially helpful if you want the next instance to appear only after the current one has been completed, rather than strictly based on the calendar. It gives you more control and can make recurring work feel more flexible. After that, configure the additional options based on what you need. You can enable Create New Task if you want each recurrence to generate a separate task instead of reusing the same one. You can also turn on Recur Forever if this task should continue indefinitely. If needed, use Update Status to automatically change the task status when it recurs, or enable Sync Recurrence to Due Date so the repeating schedule follows the due date pattern more closely. When everything looks right, click Save to activate the recurring task. Once saved, ClickUp will apply the recurrence settings and handle future repeats automatically. That's it. You've successfully set up a recurring task in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.